Hey guys, by now you should be a published website designer. If you are not published yet, please go back and review video number 1. So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to get logged in, log back in, there we go. And yesterday I suggested to use your school Google Mail account and the same password that you use to log onto your computer so that you never forget it. And this is going to be the back end of your website. And we're going to go ahead right away and we're going to hit edit. And I have 2 pages right now. So if I go up to pages, I can see that I have a home page and then I have that contact me page. And so now if I go to the Hail photo page, the actual Hail photo page, underneath photo 1, there's a sample website. And you can go ahead and look at that, and it has these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So contact me, my work, app reviews, research, and blog. So I'm going to go back to my Weebly, and I'm just going to hit a standard page, and I'm going to name this one my work. I'm going to add another page. I'm going to call it app review. I have another page that's called research. And I just realized what I'm doing is I'm accidentally putting the tall header on here. I like no header again. I can easily go back to app review and click on no header. Remember, the header is that big picture and I don't really care for it. And then my other page was contact me, my work, app review, research, and blog. Okay. And when you put a blog in there, this is going to be a little, actually, delete page. Your blog page, when you go to blog page and you actually click on blog page. So again, and I don't like a header. That's got to be a different style. That's going to be like my daily assignment board, and we'll talk about that a little bit longer. So you're going to go ahead and hit save and edit. And you'll be able to see I've got home, contact me, my work, app review, research, and this will show up because you're in your blog page. Don't worry about this just yet. We can see here if we go to my work that I want video, photography, and Photoshop work. Don't worry about these other little sidebars right now. You're not going to need those just yet, but I will show you how to do that. So we're going to go back to Weebly. We're going to go back to pages. And I'm going to add a page, standard page. It's going to be called photography. I'm going to add another standard page. I'm going to call it Photoshop work. Or just Photoshop is fine. No header, save. Oops, go back to pages. Photography, no header. And we're going to add another page that's going to be called video. And we're going to do no header. Okay? And I'm going to hit save and edit so I can show you guys what this looks like. So we have all these here, these all main pages. Okay, that's just way too busy and not organized. So we're going to go back to pages. And underneath my work, I'm going to left click on photography, hold left click down. I'm going to drag it up and slightly indent it. And it will kind of just slide in there itself, and Photoshop and video. And I just realized I spelled video wrong, so you can just go to that page. Okay, and you can go ahead and hit save and edit, and just like that. Okay, home, contact me, my work, and it will show you the nice cascading little pages down. App review, research, and blog. If we go back to pages, and if you just want to see what this will look like, and you're going to grab a new page, and you can type in elements, element, colon, line, and that's going to be one of the assignments we do, no page, and that will actually go underneath and indented slightly underneath photography. And you can go ahead and save and edit. You go to my work, photography, element, and line. So that's how I get all those fancy little windows. It's really not that fancy. Now you know my secret. So this probably won't take you guys that long to do this by watching this video. If you have your existing work, if you have a page that you already have, you can name it previous work. And you can go ahead and put that right here underneath my work, photo, and previous work. No header. Go ahead, hit save and edit. And you can use, there's this element, remember these are elements here, and you can go ahead and put a gallery in and drag a slideshow in, and it will show you kind of the layout here. And then you can upload pictures from your computer. I'm going to go ahead and actually go back to pages. Alright, and I'm going to go to home page. And so now I really want to work on my home page. I'm going to go work. If we click on Save and Edit, you'll see that this has actually changed the color. And you can change the font and you can design all this. I don't like this anymore. I put just a picture in there. I'm going to delete that. Anything you want to delete, there's just a red box up here. So, and if you want to edit this image and change it to something else in your header, you can do that. But I want to go and change kind of all this kind of little stuff here. And that's going to be in design. And this is where you can change your theme. So if you don't like your theme anymore, okay, you can choose a new one. Or you can also just change your fonts here. And this is your site title. So I'm going to go ahead and click on site title. And I'm going to see what I have here and use my little wheel on my, that's too Disney World for me. I don't like it. That's kind of neat. And I can make it bigger here. And I can do a different color here. And it will stay. And then this is where you can change this too. You can change these. Make sure though you can read it. That's the biggest thing I see is kids don't. And then if these are so big that you can't see them all when you hit the publish, you can make things smaller. That's too small. But everybody has different themes, so you're just going to have to play with it. And sub-navigation, that's where underneath my work in photography, you know, you can pick something else and change the color there as well. Or maybe it won't let you change the color. It looks like it won't let you change the color. If you know coding, HTML or CSS, I'm pretty sure you can go into the coding and change it there if you want to check that out. And then you've got links and buttons, image, gallery captions, and you can kind of play around with that kind of stuff there. So have some fun. Make sure it's personalized. And then when you're all finished, hit publish. And it looks like that.